I wanted to become an AI engineer, so I did what everyone tells you to do. I searched for langchain tutorials, langgraph tutorials, roadmaps, courses, and after hours of watching videos, I realized I still can't build anything. So instead of searching for another roadmap, I decided to build an AI startup. Let me tell you the problem I kept running into. Every tutorial teaches AI differently. One starts with prompts, another starts with embeddings. Someone else may say, learn RAG first. Another says, learn agents. Another says, you need langgraph before anything else. Everyone has different roadmap when it comes to becoming an AI engineer. The more I watched these kinds of videos, the more overwhelmed I became, and the more distant I became from the main goal, which is learning to become an AI engineer. So I wasn't learning AI, I was simply collecting tutorials. Then I asked myself something really important. If I actually worked as an AI engineer tomorrow, would anyone hand me a roadmap? No, they'd hand me a problem. Maybe if I stop learning like a student and start learning like an engineer, this is where I could become more of an AI engineer. That's when I started building PASIUS. It's an AI learning platform, but instead of giving everyone the same curriculum, it builds one specifically for you. The AI first understands what you already know. Then it generates a personalized learning path. Then it teaches you each topic one by one, quizzes you to make sure that you understood, and even generates notes at the end of your session. Right now I finished the agents, and the landing page is already published with a waitlist ready, and seeing the workflow run inside the terminal is honestly one of the coolest parts. Here is what's funny. I didn't become better because I watched more tutorials. I became better because the project forced me to learn. I learned langgraph because I needed it. I learned prompt engineering because my agents won't listen to me. I learned structured outputs because the JSON kept breaking. Every bug became a lesson, and every feature forced me to understand something new, something I don't know. I am nowhere near finished. There's a lot to build and a lot to learn, and I'm always learning. But I finally feel like I'm actually doing or learning AI engineering. Not because I found the perfect roadmap, because I started acting like an engineer. If you're also trying to learn AI, you have to stop waiting until you're ready. Build something that forces you to become ready. Over the next videos, I'll keep documenting this journey, showing what works, what breaks, and everything I'm learning while building PASIUS. If you want to support PASIUS, you can join with the waitlist by clicking the link below. And if that's the kind of content that you're looking for, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.